Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Gary Tech Interior. So over here, it is a 3-bedroom with a sitting room and a kitchen, and then a public toilet that is inside. So, and then the master bedroom, it's ensuite. So I'll just give you a house tour, and then I show you how amazing it is. So, like you can see here, we have provided these two beautiful pillars that at the end, and then there is another one over here, and then at the end even we have provided another two for it to be stable. So on this we have done these molding pillars that you see over there. That is the arc that will be decorated with molding at later during the finishing. So this is the window for our sitting room. Like you can see, we have provided here a lintel, a beam, a window sill that is over here, so as to reinforce our window, so as to not have some many cracks. And then here, this is a beautiful welcoming. We'll install here our door later. So, but I will take you inside and then you see. So here we have, this is a small corridor. It's not just much quite big, but it's a small corridor. So as to minimize the house and then the material. So over here, this is the sitting room, and then here, this is the first bedroom, and then here, this is the second bedroom, and then on this other end, this is the kitchen, and then this is the door that leads us towards the master bedroom, and then this one is the public toilet. So let me take you first to the sitting room, and then I show you how it is quite amazing. So this is the sitting room. It has two windows. So the first one is over here, and then see, this window will have an view from whoever will be coming from our gate. And then this is the second window that will be installed over here. And then this is the sitting room, but you see it's quite amazing, it's quite big. But then later we'll have here a serving window that will be made over there, so as to have a communication between a sitting room and the kitchen. So this, I will lead you towards this. So like I've told you earlier, this is the first bedroom, but is on this first corridor. So this is the bedroom one. Like you can see, it's quite amazing. It has two windows. So the first one is over there, and then the second one is over here. So this master bedroom, this first bedroom, it accommodates like 2 to 3 beds. Let's say, like if it's maybe like 2, if you go with the 6x4, it can accommodate like 2. But if you go maybe like 5x6, you can accommodate by like two beds. So I will let you towards this next second bedroom, of which it has a single window, like you can see over there. So it won't be enough to have 2 windows, because on this other side, this is the first bedroom, and the other side, that is the master bedroom. So it has only one window, one wall that we install there, a window. So like you can see, it's quite enough big, but it's not much big as compared to the first one. So here it can accommodate like maybe 2 even or 3 beds towards, maybe according to your measurements and then your arrangement. And then, so this is the kitchen, like you can see over here. So our kitchen, it's quite big enough. It's just quite accommodative towards this house. It has a single door, a window that will be over here, and then our sink will be installed at this window that you see over there, and then going up to there. And then you remember on our sitting room, I told you here we shall be having a serving window that will be made later. So there will be our serving window. And then this kitchen, it has a store, like you can see. So this is the store of this kitchen. Like you can see, it's quite big enough. So that was the agreement with our clients, to have that small, but for it to have to not have waste that much space. And then here this is a small corridor, like you can see, so as to separate between the public toilet and the master bedroom. So here we have our public toilet. Like you can see, guys, it's quite big enough. Like you can see, it's quite big, like you can see over here. So we'll have a shower over there, and then a toilet that will be installed there at the end of the day. And then here we'll have a dressing mirror that will be placed over here, so as maybe you come from this toilet, you can see yourself on this mirror that will be provided over here. And then here, so this is the let's say this is the master bedroom. Like you can see, it's quite big. It has 2 windows, of which these 2 windows are much bigger. Like you can see, it's not of same size with the other, like the other bedroom, like you can see over here. So this is the window 1, and then this is the window 2, and then this master bedroom, it's an ensuite. So this is the toilet of this master bedroom, of which it's ensuite. So like you can see, it's quite accommodative. It's like of same size with the one of our public toilet. So guys, I think and then we have some additional features that you see over here. So that is our next lintel. So we always install 2 lintels. So this is the first one, and the second one is over there, so as to have to reinforce our house to be just much stronger. And then this is the window sill that we always place at our at the end of our windows, so as to have to minimize cracks that will be maybe occur after we have done building our house. So guys, up to there, I would like to thank you. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, share, comment. And then if maybe you have a burning issue, our number is 07 46 28 96 67. 07 46 28 96 67. So if you have maybe to consult anything, you can just consult with that number. You'll be updated everything that you need. So let's meet on the next video, God willing. Bye bye.